Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can track the overall safety and quality on a project within your ACC platform. So where I am at the moment is I'm currently in the Insights tab, and I'm looking at the Safety tab here on the left hand side. So you can see there's already some existing cards that I can come in and view, such as project issues, see what type of issues are assigned to myself, issues that are assigned to specific companies, and safety issues that are currently in my project. Now, if I wanted to customize this further, I can come over to the Customize tool and select on the card library. Inside here, then, I can choose what filters I want to filter by and then simultaneously add those cards. So the first thing is if I check out the quality ones, inside here you can see some of the quality cards that are currently available. So if I tick on some of these, so I'll tick on 2 or 3 for example, I can go add cards and they will now populate into my card library inside here. So I can customize these in terms of how I want to view them. And when I'm happy enough with how it's looking, I can click save and the tab itself updates inside here. So I get an overall view of the issues currently in my project in terms of safety and quality. Also, I can choose to export. So if I wanted to share this with any members on the project or outside the project, I can click on export up here, and you can see that I could share it with specific companies, roles, or members by selecting on this drop down, or I can simply type in anyone's email that is currently not on the project as well. So it's a really handy way of getting a current overview of all issues, quality issues, or safety issues that are currently in my project.